Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Joyful Beauty. It's your girl Joy. This channel is all about glowing up from the inside out, and I share tips on how to level up both physically and mentally. Today I'm showing you how to craft a really easy and light beat for your FaceTime/video call. I use a few different products, and I'm also going to show you how to moisturize and prep the skin for makeup application. So to start off, I am using the True Serum. It is my favorite vitamin C from OLEHENRIKSEN. This serum is amazing because it plays really well under makeup, and you can see right now how it's instantly brightening up my skin. Alright, next I'm going to apply a sheer moisturizer from OLEHENRIKSEN as well. It plays really well under makeup, so I'm just dotting it onto my face and then really stapling it in. Next, I'm going in with the Photo Finish Primer from Smashbox. This is a beautiful finish that will really create a smooth canvas for your makeup application. It is a cult classic for a reason because it really just blurs your pores, which is what we need when we're going to be looking at ourselves on camera. Alright, now I'm going in with my Mercier setting powder, and I'm just going to set my primer. This is an essential step to do when it's summer. You just want to make sure you do not end up looking greasy, and that's what this does. Alright, then we're going in and we are going to be priming the lids with a little bit of primer from Urban Decay. This potion primer is amazing. It will make your eyeshadow stay all day. Okay, so just very quickly, I'm going to set my eyeshadow primer. This makes the shadow stay on longer. Next, I'm going in using the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette. The first color I'm using is called Low Blow. It's a really nice brown tone with a nice warm orange undertone, so it'll make your eyes look a little bit brighter, but it's relatively neutral. Now I'm going in with the color Fuego, on fire. It is caliente. It is a reddish color, and we're just adding that to the crease for a little bit of warmth and definition in the crease. If you have another brownish reddish color at home, you just use that. Now we're going in with the color Ashes. We are applying that again right into our outer crease, and then we're winging it out just to the outer corners of our eyes. Now I'm going in back into the Naked Heat palette, and I'm using the color Lumbra. It's a gorgeous rose gold hue. Now I'm taking my jumbo eyeliner from NYX in the color Milk. I use this color to tight line my under eyes. I mean, I'm using tight line loosely. As you can see, it's okay if it's a bit messy because we're gonna go in now with some shadow to clean that up. Next, I'm going to go in and line my eyes. I like to try to tight line it and then just go a little bit above the natural waterline, just to add a little bit more definition to my eyes, and also prep the eyes for applying lashes. So I actually did my lashes off camera just so I could apply them precisely, but now I'm going to go in and I'm going to curl my lashes just so they have an extra lift. This is an important step, and if you want to learn how to do lashes yourself, I have a dedicated video. Alright, now we are applying the foundation. Foundation time. My favorite time because that's when the skin just comes alive. Like, there she is. There she is. Okay, so yeah, I'm just dotting this all over my face. And I like this technique because I feel like I use less product and it disperses the product more efficiently. Make sure you go in using a brush. Like, of course you can use a beauty blender, but the brush is more precise. So go in using a brush first, a beauty blender second. And I'm using the Sephora X Milk Collection foundation brush. It is an amazing brush. Okay, now it is time to apply some concealer. I use my concealer to highlight my face, particularly my under eye, the bridge of my nose, and my forehead. Okay, so once the concealer is applied, we want to staple that in using a beauty blender. I find the beauty blender is most effective at blending in concealer on top of foundation. So as you can see, I'm just bouncing it. We're not streaking it, we're not moving it around, we are stapling it into the face. Just bounce, 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 tap that. Alright, I'm feeling hyped because finally my skin is looking Metro Boomin' again. And so now I'm going to go in with the Laura Mercier setting powder. This really is going to set all the highlight work that we just did to make sure it doesn't move and to make sure it looks super matte. So this is random, but I learned this technique from Kourtney Kardashian. You want to make a 3 on your face when you are putting in your bronzer. So that's why I'm doing my temples, then we're going to go in with our cheeks, then we're going to go in with our jawline. We're creating a nice 3 to add the dimension here. And I find this technique is really, honestly, the best one. Alright, it's time to apply some blush. I am using the color Orgasm from Nars. It is a classic color. It will give you a nice little flush on your cheeks. It's like what it sounds like. And yeah, I love it. Alright, it's time to go in with our setting powder again. We need to set all the other face makeup we just did, and we just want to blend everything so it looks seamless and natural. You don't want the makeup to look like it was just like randomly thrown on your face. You want it to look like it's all part of one cohesive, beautiful family. Okay, now it's time to apply your eyebrow material. I honestly am loving the pomade again. It's just really sharp and well defined. But if you want something a little bit more natural, I suggest using a pencil. I love all the products from Anastasia, Beverly Hills. They really are the eyebrow queens. But for summer, I just want to make sure things don't move. So I'm going in with the pomade in the color Ebony. Now I'm going in with my Stila All Day Liquid Lipstick. I'm using the color Cayenne. It's a nice dusty rose color that really just mimics the natural color of my lips, but a little bit better, so that things just look really natural. Alright guys, here's the final look. It's light, it's easy, but it still has a nice glow and some definition to it. Let me know in the comments what your favorite products are to use for your everyday Zoom looks, and I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, just keep growing and keep glowing.